In today's video, let's learn to make oatmeal banana pancakes. It is super easy and healthy breakfast, and also it is no maida recipe, and all it takes is just 5 minutes. Hello and welcome to manocooks. I'm your Mano. Before we begin, hit the subscribe button if you're new here and click on the bell notification to watch my videos as soon as I post them. So let's get started. I'm taking a mixie jar here. To that, first let's add 1.5 cup oats. Now to this, let's add 2 ripe bananas. As this recipe is made in blender or a mixie jar, it is very quick actually. So once we add chopped banana, let's add 2 tablespoons sugar. Instead of sugar, you can also add honey. After adding sugar, let's add half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Now to this, add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Along with that, let's add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. To this, let's add 2 eggs at room temperature, and finally add half cup to 3/4 cup milk at room temperature. And also, if you want this recipe to be an eggless version, substitute eggs with chia or flax eggs. Now let's blend this until smooth. So we have a nice and thick pancake batter here, as you see. Let's transfer this to a different container. You can add few blueberry or chocolate chip or walnut to this batter and mix that before making pancakes. But I'm keeping it simple today, so let's heat a non-stick pan on medium heat and grease it lightly with butter. Pour the pancake batter to form small medium-sized pancakes. I'm using 1/4 cup to scoop out batter and pour. You can also use a small ladle. Cook for 2 minutes or until small bubbles start to appear on top. Now turn and cook the other side for 2 minutes. If you feel anytime the heat is more, you can alternate the temperature between medium to medium-low. So now, as you can see, both the sides have turned golden and it's cooked very well. So our fluffy and healthy banana oatmeal pancake is all ready. Now take this off on a plate and top it with little butter and add some honey on top and enjoy. Repeat until you use all the batter. If anytime you feel the batter is thick, try adding few tablespoons of milk at room temperature, mix it well and prepare the pancakes. So that's my favorite go-to recipe of healthy breakfast any day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Mano Cooks and click on the bell icon to watch my videos as soon as I post them. Thanks a lot for watching.